So who is this course for? This course is for anyone who would like to feel happier, and that's most of us, I suspect. Or if you feel that life is just going nowhere and you feel stuck and frustrated, this course is for you. If you have an open mind and are willing to put a little bit of effort in daily to create and manifest big change, this course is for you. If life is lacking in joy, this course is for you. This course is for anyone who would like a course that offers self-help, mindfulness, positive thinking and meditations and personal development, but done in a way that's easy for you to implement into your life and easy to understand. I know only too well how hard it is to try and fit things around a demanding life. And if you're finding that is to be the case for you, then this course is for you. This course is for anyone who wants to change. And believe me, change can happen and it will happen. Belief, self-belief goes a long way. Happiness is here, now, and everywhere within us. On this course, you will learn how to access that.